Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In this video I will teach you a strategy, a trend following strategy based on Ichimoku Kinko that gives us 100% winning trades trading this particular stock. So since the beginning of the stock we have 100% winning trades. And there is quite a lot of trades as well, with enormous risk to win ratio. So we will see. Just two rules, and the third one to exit. Let's see what are these rules. First one is the price above all the lines. Two, all lines in an uptrend. And the exit rule, price closes below Kijun or Chikou below the price. So you can choose which one you want to do, but they are here to maximize your wins, to squeeze as much as you can from the trade. For those of you who don't know how to trade Ichimoku, how to understand these lines, what are they? I recommend my free Ichimoku course. You can take it from my website, or videos here on YouTube channel about Ichimoku. It's more or less the same. If you watch it, then you will understand what these lines are, what they represent, how to interpret them, and you will see the power of Ichimoku. And this strategy is really amazing and it's really simple. It's for the markets that they are already developed, that they are shooting up, so you can grab a proper movement. So let's start from last year, from March. So after the coronavirus, the market fall over here. I'm not starting from the beginning of this stock for the one simple reason: there is a lot of trades and you would be bored by the middle of this video. I want to show you the exciting part, and later, after this exciting part, if you decide to go with me to the beginning of this chart, you can do that. If not, you can just switch off this video and carry on with your life and just trust me that all the signals that they are the winning signals. So here we are, price above all lines. So first of all, we need to find the price above all lines. Where is the price above all lines? This is our first moment when price is above all lines. Excellent. So let's see. The second rule, all lines in an uptrend. So we need to have all lines in an uptrend at this point. And let's see, where are we at this point? Yes, Tenkan uptrend, Kijun uptrend. You can see that the cloud is an uptrend as well. What happens to Chikou at this point? So Chikou is okay. The Chikou represents the price. So like, whatever the price is, the Chikou will be the same, uptrend, no uptrend. The key here is that we need to think about Chikou. Maybe there should be actually another rule, that the Chikou needs to be above cloud. So you can be risking, it's up to you. You will develop your own instinct later on, but for now let's just stick to the rule which gives us like a clear sky for growth, that Chikou needs to be above the cloud. Sorry. So at this point, when this candle is above, unfortunately, we don't have the full signal. So let's move forwards and let's see where the Chikou gets above the cloud. And this is the point. This is the magical point where we are above. And at this same point, our price is here. So we are at 417 for the share. This is a NIO share. So if you are a fan of NIO trading, of the NIO cars, this is something personal for you. So that would be our entry point. So let's see where are our lines at this moment. Okay, Tenkan above Kijun, beautiful. And we look 26 up front because that's where would be the cloud at this point. So we are not looking at the cloud below us, below the price, because the clouds are moved 26 forward. So we are interested where was the cloud at this point, and we can see that the cloud was blue. So we have a very nice entry point, and the cloud was actually already twisted at this point, so from here, but the price wasn't there yet. We were still struggling with the previous cloud. So this is our signal over here. Let's draw a line, horizontal line. That would be our entry points at this point, 416. So now we are in a trade. So what's happening? Let's see what's happening. Let me cancel this one for the moment. What's happening? The price pulls back. So another day we are facing a little bit of loss. So 380 something. Okay, one day, another day, and the third day, 3 days later, we are already on a winning side. Beautiful. And again, you can see the Chikou. Look at the Chikou. It came back to the Senkou-span A, bounced off perfectly. 2 days later, we are closing above, and now sky is the limit. Everything is clear. There is no doubt. And you can see that from now on the price is jumping. So this is the good moment, that once it happens, once the sky is clear, there is no obstacles, no resistance for the price. The only resistance, of course, you need to bear in mind as well, might be what was happening before. So if we got some tops here, we can mark them. Okay, but for now, where are we getting out? We are in a beautiful trade. Price closes below Kijun. So let's see. The price is going up. It's going up. It's going up. It's closing. Where is closing? Below Tenkan. This is not Kijun. Here, going above, closing below, going above again. But this is Tenkan. So we follow Kijun. Look at that. The price is going massively up. Let me actually shrink it a little, so you can see that our entry point was at 416. At the maximum point we are at 1637, so it's 400% the entry, 400% profits, trading just 1-to-1. And now I mean, if you have got to hold it for so long, perfect, this is the idea, and we are waiting for the price to close below. And now we can see that the price closes below at this point, so it's $11. So we exit here and we take our profits. Another option, if you don't want to do like that, you can wait a second option for the full price, for the opening and closing below Tenkan. If you want to get confirmation, because this is like a very little one, so you will be waiting for like a proper candle to close here, or Chikou below price. So the Chikou below price is at this point. So at this candle here, we would be exiting anyway. It's much higher, I mean, it's a little bit higher, 13 instead of our $11 before, or yeah, $11 or $13. So it's up to you. But before as well, we have a cross here, so this is already like a side move. So let's stick to the rules. We just exit here. We made a beautiful trade, trading from 416 all the way up to 11, or if you want to close it the day after because you were not sure, the last second the price was dancing on this Kijun, you were not sure, okay, is it going to close below, above, I don't know. So the next day you would close it either at the opening, or you can see that the price jumped above, so you might be thinking in that case, okay, it's above, it's cool, let's see if it will continue up or not. and you can even close it a little bit higher. But you know, as I said, you will develop your eye, your skill for that. For now, let's just say we just close it here and no mess about it. So up to 11, amazing profit if you didn't close before at the 400%. So this is where the price is getting below. So let's see what's happening later. Let's shrink it a little bit. So later, again, we need to wait for if the Chikou got below price. So we need to check again for the Chikou to get above price. And we can see that already here at this candle, we have Chikou above the price. That was the close, so this is like above, but this is very nice one. It's already like above, and the price is getting above as well. So let's take our time measuring tool, and we can see that at this candle, what's happening? The cloud is beautiful. Tenkan above Kijun, all the signals here. Yes, we have all lines, the price above. This is like another proper signal, so like the opening and closing above. Let's see with this one, the problem was that Chikou was it was sort of above, because this is our close, so this is above close, so that could be already this one could be our signal, this candle. But let's say that was our signal here. Again, the more you test it, so this is a good idea to go and test it, see where would be the entry point, how the market looks like, practice, and you will see. Okay, so we said that we are entering here, so at 13, at 14, 13. Okay, so we are getting at this point, we have a nice move again. Chikou is free, we entering here, and yeah, let's trade it. Let's see the price again. You see what's happening when all lines align, the price is going very quickly up. So in 1 to 3 days we are going all the way to $20, so almost 50%, like 40-45% profits in just this one move. Then the price is coming back, it goes below Tenkan, but it's not closing below, it's not even closing below Kijun, not below Tenkan here, and then there we have a side movement again coming close to Tenkan. This is actually good opportunity to like add to the price as well. So, you know, to your trade, if you see that you have a strong trade and you are at Tenkan, so, you know, if next day the price closes below Tenkan, you didn't lose much, especially that you have profits from the previous one. But if the Tenkan acts as a proper support, then you've got two trades working for you. But it's like another like pyramiding. We can make a video on that next time. That's why, guys, hit this hit somewhere here notification button and subscribe to this channel, because I'm uploading videos with very nice strategies. So if you want to learn, and I think this is a lot of value, and see my analysis as well, this is the way to do it. Just subscribe and hit this bell so you will be notified every time I put the video, because otherwise you will forget about this channel, and YouTube is, you know, showing you mostly the content that you were recently watching, hoping that this is your current interest, so you might lose all the information that I have for you. Okay, so that was our entry. Here we are still trading, there is no exit points. Chikou is still above, everything is above. We still keep going, as you can see, massively. Let me shorten it. So this is already unbelievable. We are like in huge profits. Starting from here, if we added a position here, I don't even want to think about it, how much profit we have. Starting from 14, we are at this maximum point 56, so this is way above 3 times profits. So 300%. 300%. Before 400, this is 300. I have no questions. This is amazing. So at this point, then we are opening below Kijun, but not closing, and we closing at this point. So this is our exit point. So $43. So we made 29. So 200%. If we close here, 200% of profit at this point. Beautiful. Beautiful moment. Let's see if maybe Chikou was below. No, Chikou wasn't. So that's our first signal. The Chikou gets below more or less here, or more like here. So it's a little bit later, and we can see that this is like a side move at this point. Tenkan gets below Kijun, so we don't have any signals here. Then the Tenkan gets above Kijun at this candle here, at this candle here. So that's our entry point. That's our another entry point here, or we could do it at this point eventually, but no, rather here, because we need this this Tenkan to be above Kijun. So that would be our entry point. And this is a fresh market. So for now, you can see that 53, and we got up to 66. So 13, 1/4, something like that. So 25%, very quickly. But the alarming thing for me at this point, which you can learn from my previous analysis of NEO stock, so this is something like separate, but you need to take that in mind as well. So I marked in my previous video here there is a strong resistance. So if you decide to enter at this point, I would be taking actually profits over here. So once we're here, I'm taking profits, and I'm watching this level. Once we are again above this level, then I'm entering. So I'm not holding this position right now. I'm waiting for new signal. So again, the price would need to come up above Tenkan, and we need to open and close above this level. And then I'm trading again, doing the same. So as you can see, it's a fabulous strategy, trend following strategy, massive profits, especially in the trend following. So if there is a good trend, that's where you can make the money. This is the key, because with Ichimoku, you can trade a lot of different strategies, a lot of different systems. This is trend following, where you enter the markets like already developed. So when they are strong, when there are investors in it, and you can expect it to grow and push higher and higher and higher. So for those of you who enjoyed it, you can just quit now. I will do a quick analysis of what happened before, although this video is already quite long. Or I can give it to you as a homework. So basically go all the way to the beginning of the stock. I will just give you one tip. So look how amazing actually Ichimoku is. This is a very good example as well. Look at that. That was the IPO. So we started at the middle of September 2018, and we cannot trade here using Ichimoku. All these crazy movements, up and down, up and down, up and down. Who is making money here? I don't know. The price is like 13, then it's 6 in 1-2 days. It's crazy movements. You don't know which direction to go. We need to wait for some data. We are data analysts, so we need data to enter the market, and Ichimoku let us know when we have enough of data. So again, taking the Hosoda cycles, we can see that at this point at this point, exactly here, we've got all the information necessary. So we gathered 50, should be actually earlier, 76, yeah, 76. So from the top, at this point, we've got all the information. Now to judge where is the price comparing to all this noise that happened so far. So where are all these investors? Are they winning? Are they losing? And we can see that clearly. We are below Tenkan, below Kijun, everything is below. This is not the time for investment. I mean, of course, if you invested, you can see now, oh wow, well, no, not the time, come on, I got here and then the price is going nicely up. This is another thing, because this is from the time theory, but sticking to our entry rules. So where would be the entry rule over here? Let's have a quick look. So we need our Tenkan above the cloud. Let's go quickly. Here we've got Tenkan above the cloud. Where is the price at this point? The price is here. Is it above all the lines? No, it's not. It's above, it's below Tenkan, so it's not good. We need to wait, and we are waiting just 1 day. So at this point, this is our entry point. Let's see, where is Kumo? Kumo is blue, so beautiful. We've got Tenkan above, price above, blue Kumo, we can enter. So this is our entry point here at the level of 761. And where is our exit point? Our exit point is few days later, so 10 days later, so like 2 weeks basically, because these are trading days. 2 weeks later at the same point. So basically we did not do any good here. We didn't make much profit. But here is the thing again. Once you enter at the 790 and your profits went all the way to 660, you've got 50% profits. So what do? You don't hold your stop losses as before, like below Tenkan or below cloud. You move them a little bit, so you cover at least for your spread, for your commission, for all the cost. So you need to move it a little bit up, so you earn at least like this $10 or something. So it's your winning trade, small little winning trade. What I don't like about this trade much is that the Tenkan is facing here so much low. So this is a little bit upsetting at this point, but as I said, this is still a young market, so it might be developing. And then you can trade it further. I just removed my indicator, personalize template, Ichimoku, apply, beautiful. Yeah, it's just a quick, just to mention, like, I don't recommend trading shorts because of the possibility of the short squeeze, and you can lose more than you invested. And we are investors here, we want to invest. But if you are trading, for example, what's the name, forex with the currencies, then you can basically euro dollar, let's say, yeah. So when you are buying euro, you go up, but when you are buying dollar, then you are sort of shorting. So the shorts are okay in that case. So let's have a quick look what's going on if we were to short this puppy. And we can see that where is Chikou, below is here. We get the price gets below at this point. So this is our nice entry point at this point. So this is our signal. Yes, Chikou below, price below, and the Kumo. If you go from here, sorry, Kumo not. This is not our signal yet. We need to wait. So this is important. The Kumo will go at this point. There is a twist of Kumo, or at this point here we have a twist of Kumo. So this day or the day after, we can enter around, let's say, this 550 or something like that, 570. and we are trading down up to now opposite. So now the price needs to close above Tenkan, which happens where? It happens here at this point. At this point the price closes above, so we are getting out. So we are at 323 and we entered at this point at 5 something, so 50%. Very nice trade. And the rest of the movement is your homework. Let me know, analyze it. That was NEO. Daily chart, analyze it, analyze your own favorite stock, the one that you are trading right now, or currency pair, you name it, whatever you trade. Remember about these rules, they might still you know, mix up a little bit, so rewatch this video if you find out that that you are losing, that you have a losing trades, a lot of them. So then rewatch, maybe you are not taking all these lines. Remember, there is Chikou, Tenkan, Kijun, Senkou-span A and B. So we've got 5 lines, plus the price needs to be at the certain point as well. So all the 6 things, they need to align, and then you've got green light to enter. Let me know if you like this video. What do you think about the strategy? Maybe you are already using this strategy. Do you know any other strategies for trading with Ichimoku, or trend following strategies? I'm curious. I can make a video in reply to your comment as well. So all the best, guys. Stay on the green side, make a lot of profits. You remember, 400, 300%. This is madness. 50%, crazy. So all the best. Take care. Bye.